It's like back here, off-road cars.
It is, but like I know what it looks like.
The 2020 Land Rover.
I want my own little one-bedroom apartment.
And then over here is a 96 Land Rover with the tint on the top.
66.
66? Yeah, it is 66. My bad.
Yeah.
Huh. Oh, wow.
Edsel.
That's an Edsel?
Yeah. What do you think of this?
A 1958 Ford Edsel
Ranger.
turned into a race car.
Honestly, it looks good as a race car.
It does, actually. I did not think it was an Edsel.
What do you think it was?
They put an Edsel onto like farm shoe.
The 70 Chevy Nova. These are going to be like off-road race cars.
This car's nickname is Snortin' Norton.
Snortin' Norton.
Like racing in the desert.
Yeah. And then this one is a Baja Bug. Look what it says those tires in that bug. But yeah, it's like you wouldn't even. It doesn't. They don't have. These two don't have any windshields. You wouldn't need them because if you had a windshield, the dirt would get right on the windshield and just fog it all up. You okay? Huh. What was that?
Oh, these different types of cars.
Huh. Hot rods and customs.
Customs products.
The bomb, the donk, the lowrider.
Hold on.
Trivia question. Who sang the song Lowrider?
Low ride.
War?
War. Very good.
George Lopez.
Dune buggy. Looks like a dune buggy.
The Myers makes.
Myers Mix 67. Ford F100. Another off-road race car. This one over here, of course, is a Jeep.
I'll be right back.
All right. Jeep Wrangler Goldie Rocks. Okay, I saw this over here, couldn't figure out what it's a Jeep. It's a Jeep. And then I don't know if this over here is the Dodge Power Wagon. Big old engine in this one.
Huh. So it says
3.8.
says two parts of the chassis are separated and has a swivel, so if you like you look at it,
Yeah. Oh yeah.
so if it's like it's bumping, it'll turn so there's less chance it'll break.
Huh.
The Willett swivel frame.
Nice. Dude. What is this?
I don't know.
This is.
The Tango.
1999 computer cars, Tango 600 prototype.
2008 Roadster.
What that is? Tesla.
That's a Tesla.
I thought this would be my shoe, but I wanted anything. It was just, you just my shoes starting to irritate my feet.
There's a rock in my shoe.
That's not.
Wow. 44 seconds. That's not 4 seconds.
It's a mini commuter.
That's 40 seconds too long.
I actually remember you seeing one of those Mitsubishi thingies years ago.
Yes?
It's a Nissan, but. Question.
Yeah.
Do you remember these?
Vaguely.
It is a General Motors
Why?
EV1.
They didn't want to have electric.
Oh, I do remember these.
Somebody paid
Not, you know, I don't
electric a lot of money.
remember them too well, but I do remember them. Another Tesla?
It's a Model S prototype. Ooh.
Nice car.
Oh, what is this?
It's an interesting bike. It's a cake. A 2019 cake. Okay.
Cake. Call.
Tyler, what is this?
A Faraday future. Can't read that concept.
Okay.
Oh, F0.
Here.
I'm blind.
Hold on. What's this over here?
Fisker Emotion concept car.
This is a nice looking car.
I like the wheels. Dude, you see how big the brakes are?
Oh, those are big.
Dude.
Not as big as that donut you have.
This is an electric hypercar here. I feel like I should fly away in this. What is this?
1915 Detroit Electric Model 61.
Yeah, it's the first, one of the first electric cars.
I'm not gonna lie, there's something you would find in the movie Titanic.
Yeah, that's true.
It's just the right type.
Yep.
It's got like actual like.
Yeah. Yeah. I have no foggiest idea.
don't
A
either.
penny kilowatt.
This is a cool car. It's
These are like all types of like first types of electric cars.
this is a 1960 electric shopper, and it's top speed 18. Not very fast.
This is the U.S. electric car,
GTP.
94. Why do I have a feeling it's smiling at me?
It probably is.
It probably is.
Hey, look.
Huh.
Oh, the two headlights look like eyes.
Yeah.
And the the little like gap here is the smile.
Mouth, yeah. Personal transport pod.
96.
It's a little three-wheeler.
And unlike the Reliant Robin,
Yeah.
I don't think this way thing would tip over because it's going forward, not
Yeah,
backwards.
it's true.
Imagine going over a speed bump.
I feel like I should fly away in this.
I think I'd probably get wrecked by a speed
I
bump.
think that's the feeling you should get this.
Just cruising down the highway, all of a sudden you start lifting off the ground.